Okay, hey, it's Walt here, Dirtfoot Racing. Got a 10-inch Honda wheel tire inner tube thing I'm putting together. I got this side on, and I actually had the tube inside already in the wheel, in the tire, and I got it on there with these handy dandy tire irons, these little ones here. These things made it a lot easier. Instead of trying to do it with a screwdriver, get you a set of these. I got these from Dennis Kirk. But anyway, so now it's time to get the last part on over here. A little bit of soap on the outside, and let's see how much I can curse. So let's see here. Let's get it started with this. I think 3/4 of doing this work is muscle and just not giving up. Muscle, I said muscle, yeah. And I'm not minding to get a little dirty, because you will get dirty doing this stuff, and you will possibly bust a fingernail. Just have to keep working it around the tire. Just keep working it. Oops. Keep working it around. I think I'm getting, oh, the bastard's coming out. Oh, this is gonna be tough. This is gonna be tough. This tire is really stiff. Back the way I was doing it before. Just working on one side. There we go. Working my way around. So I just eyed something here. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna get a little bit of a helping hand here. We're gonna put it in the vise here. The vise is gonna keep it from walking out as I walk it around. Whoops. Almost there. Almost there. Oops. I always worry about when I'm jamming this thing in there. I'm jamming the inner tube, but hopefully that's not the case. Gotta take a little less bite. There we go. All right, one more. Somebody's probably screaming, "You're doing that all wrong." Doing it the way that works for me. Yep, there it is. Boom. It's on. That little 10-inch tire was stiff. That thing put up a fight because the tire itself is so stiff and it's so small. You gotta really work in it's just tough. Let's see here what size this is. Oh, it's probably 10 or 12 millimeter or something like that. All right, well, that pretty much sums it up. I just got to tighten this thing up, but yeah, 10-inch Honda wheel. Got a Kenda Washago 2 tire, and get this back on one little guy's mini bike so we can go ride. So, see you guys later. See ya. All right, we're gonna put some air in the tire. In the tube and the tire I just put on. Hopefully I didn't poke a hole in it when I was installing it. It's always that worry. Let's come over here. Oh, this is the better side. You know what? Gotta turn the air on the air compressor. Give me just a second. The air compressor comes on. All right, we don't need. Tire gauge. See how much air is in there. Oh, there's a lot. Almost 60 pounds. Holy cow, that's too much. Looking for a recommended pressure. They don't have a recommended pressure. This is a dirt bike tire. So let's just see here. All right, that's over 20 psi right there. It's probably still too much. That psi is not registering. Let's see here. What does it start at? This thing starts at 20. So that's good. All right, well, there you have it. I'm gonna run some water over here and make sure it's not leaking anywhere. I did see a couple bubbles come when I first started here, but that could have been air getting squeezed out between the inner tube and the tire. So put some water on it, see what happens. All right, I put some water on it just to make sure I didn't puncture the inner tube when I was installing it. And I don't see any bubbles. You'd see bubbles, air leaking out if there was. So I think I did okay this time. So anyways, that wraps it up. New knobby tire on the mini bike for the youngling, a friend of mine's youngling. So take it easy, guys. See you.